Alright, good morning students. Today we are doing chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Now let's carry on with the chapter. We have done exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Now we come to sum of n terms of an AP, arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms of an AP. Now what is meaning of sum of n terms? You see, let us just see this, understand this, sum of n terms. Let us suppose I have got an AP. Okay, suppose AP is 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. Alright, now I've got this AP. So obviously here the first term is 3, common difference is 7 minus 3, that is 4. Alright, now I want to find the sum. You see, if I add it like this, sum of n terms, S of n will be equal to 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus so on up to n, S of a of n minus 1 plus a of n. Okay, n minus 1 plus a of n. This is called sum of n terms. Okay, I want to find, for example, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 21, 31 and 5, 36 and so on. This is called sum of n terms. So there is a formula for this, and that formula is S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a, okay, plus n minus 1 into d. Of course, you know what n means. N is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference. Okay, now you can write this formula, or you can even write it. You see, this same thing can be written in a different way. S of n is equal to half n. Okay, n upon 2 likho ya to half n likho, it is the same thing. Then I can write this as a, okay, plus a. A plus a means what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you can see this formula. This is actually a of n. Okay, so therefore I can write S of n is equal to half n into bracket a plus a of n. इसकी जगह पे मैंने a of n लिया. So therefore you can also write S of n is equal to half n. Okay, and here a plus l, where l is the last term. L is the last term is L is actually equal to a of n, where it is the last term. So you can see that the same thing is written in different ways. Here this is one formula. Okay, the same thing can be written like this, it can be written like this or like this. They are all the same things, there is no different. Okay, depending upon which one you have to use. So S of n is given by the formula sum of n terms is n upon 2, or you can write it as half n. There is no difference at all. 2a plus n minus 1d, where I can write a plus a n minus 1d, but this part, okay, this part, okay, I'll just circle it here for you. This is equal to a of n. So a plus an means some last term. So last term of the AP, L. Just in place of an, I'm writing L. So this is sum of n terms of an AP. Now just look at another one. Suppose sum of n natural numbers. I want to find sum of n natural numbers. Okay, n natural numbers. Now we know natural numbers, 0 is not a natural numbers. Okay, so natural numbers begin with what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. For every natural number there is one more number which is greater than the previous number. In other words, this is an infinite expression or infinite AP. Okay, this one is also an infinite AP, this is also an infinite AP, but these are natural numbers. So your first natural number a is your first term of the AP. Okay, and common difference d is 2 minus 1, which is also equal to 1. Alright, so that means now if I want to find sum of n natural numbers, sum of n natural numbers is equal to, okay, n by 2 into bracket 2a, alright, plus n minus 1 into d. Get used to this formula, okay, and write the formula as many times as possible. N natural numbers. Now the first natural number is 1, so a is equal to 1. N we don't know. and d is equal to what? D is equal to 1. So d is also equal to 1. So I get n upon 2. 2 ones are 2. Open the bracket. N minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I get n. 2 minus 1 is 1. N plus 1. Okay. So sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers. This is the formula that you should use if you want to find the sum of n natural. Of course, even if you use this formula, you will still get this. But if you know this, it is even easier to substitute. For example, now I want to find the sum of the first 70 natural numbers. Okay, sum of the first 70 natural numbers. Now, if I want to find the sum of first 70 natural numbers, use this formula. S of n is equal to n upon 2 into bracket n plus 1. This is far easier. How did we get this? How did we get it? We got it from here. It is the same thing. Okay. Now here n is equal to 70 because you want to find the sum of first 70 natural numbers. Okay. So if n is equal to 70, then S of 70 natural numbers is equal to 70 upon 2 into bracket 70 plus 1, 71. 70 upon 2 is 35 into 71. So S of 70 is equal to, okay, now 71 into 35. Okay, then 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21. 5, 8, 4, 2. 2485. Okay, the sum of 70, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6, 7, 9, 8, 11, 25, 32 up to 70. Sum of the first 70 natural numbers will be 2485. Alright, so now you can see sum of any natural number or sum of any number for any given AP, you can find this. You can specify it if it is a natural number. Let us take another one. See, supposing, okay, suppose the natural numbers, in this case the natural numbers are, okay, odd numbers. This is n natural numbers. These are for odd numbers. Okay, first 7 numbers. Suppose the numbers are, instead of natural numbers, sum of odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. Alright, the sum of odd natural numbers, the first odd number is 1. Okay, 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. All natural numbers and odd numbers. Alright, so now if I apply the formula, S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now S of n is n by 2 into bracket 2 into a. A is the first term. First term is 1. Plus n minus 1, n we don't know. D, difference between 3 and 1 is 2. The common difference D is equal to 2. So I get n by 2 into bracket 2, open the bracket, 2n minus 2. So n upon 2, okay. Now plus 2 minus 2 cancels out. So I get 2n. 2 cancel out. N into n, n square. So you can see the formula now. Okay, S of n is equal to n square. This is for what? This is for n natural numbers. Okay, odd as well as even, दोनों के लिए. Okay, on this is for all natural numbers. This is for odd natural numbers. Odd natural, okay, numbers. Now you can see that इसको लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ यू वांट टू लर्न, इट्स गुड कि ऑड नंबर्स के लिए एस ऑफ एन. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाट इज द सम, ओके, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 70 odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. Now n is equal to 70, just like this one. So n is equal to 70, but हमको natural numbers के लिए नहीं पूछा है. Natural numbers but odd natural numbers. So that is equal to 70 divided by 2. N is equal to 70 into, or rather S of n is n square. Okay, n square, that is actually 70 square. Okay, n square odd numbers के लिए 7 7s are 4900, 4900. That means the first 70 odd natural numbers, okay, and the first 70 numbers. You can see the difference is easy to calculate. Okay, there is very little. I mean, it's not about odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, when you calculate this, it's very easy. Was there a mistake here? Okay, 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21. 5 and 3 8 3 and 1. Okay, this is okay. All right, and this is 70, but 70 divided by this is n square. Okay, so 7 sevens are 49, 4,900. Now it's easy to calculate for anyone. All right, let's just see. Now, supposing this was, just a second, this was number 3. Let us see another case. Okay, fourth case. Like, let us suppose that you want to find the sum of even numbers, even natural numbers. Okay, so let us find out. See, supposing, what are the even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, so here your first term A is 2 and the common difference is also 2, 4 minus 2. Now what is the formula? S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now find out n by 2 into a, first term is 2 square. Okay, n minus 1 into common difference is also 2. Okay, so you get n by 2 into bracket 2 2s are 4, 2n minus 2. So n by 2. Now 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 2n. Okay, so n by 2. Now take out 2 common and into bracket n plus 1 आएगा. 2 cancel करो, n into n plus 1. This is S of n for what? Even numbers, even natural numbers. Okay, so देखो ये all natural numbers. Okay, even this is odd natural numbers. All natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 सब इसमें सिर्फ odd numbers. Okay, only odd numbers. Remember here odd difference 2 आता है, 2 ones are 2 and here of course the first natural number is 2. You take out, you get 2n. Okay, 2 cancels out and you get n square. Okay, similarly here in this case for even natural numbers, n into n plus 1. For example, find the sum of the first 100 even natural numbers. Okay, the sum of the first even natural numbers. Now you can see in this case that even natural numbers means natural numbers which are even 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. But how many? 100 numbers. So n is equal to 100. Okay. Now even numbers के लिए formula अभी ऊपर ही derive किया है, n into n plus 1. So therefore S of 100 will be equal to 100 into 100 plus 1. That is 100 into 101. That is equal to 10100. 10,100. Okay, 10,100. This will be the sum of the first even 100 natural numbers. Okay, even natural numbers. Alright, so you can see that what have we learned so far. See, the first formula for sum of natural numbers, S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Alright, this is the first formula. You can also use the formula S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l, where l is the last term and the last term is given by a of n. Okay, the third formula is for specifically, ये दो ही है, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं है, n natural numbers के लिए, all natural numbers के लिए. Okay, n by 2, okay, that is equal to n by 2 into bracket n plus 1. This is for all natural numbers. All natural numbers. Now you might ask कि ये natural numbers के लिए specifically क्यों पूछा है? Natural numbers के लिए specifically इसलिए है कि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बहुत आते हैं. ओके, दैट्स द रीजन वाई. देन s of n is equal to n square. This is for what? Odd numbers. Okay, odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. And then s of n is equal to n into bracket n plus 1. This is for even natural numbers. Okay, even natural numbers. So you can see that these five, actually all of them are based on the first one. The most important one is the first one. The others are obtained from the first one. If you forget all this, you can easily find it if you know the first one. But the first one you have to know. Without the first one, you can't solve these problems. All right. Now, this is one thing. Now, let us suppose, see, we have got an AP. This is your AP, where A is the first term, A1 is the second term, A2, A3, so on, up to AN minus 1, and then A of n. And then AN plus 1, AN plus 2, and so on. Alright, now if I want to find this term, अगर इसको निकालना है, okay, how do I find AN? Now you see, इसका सबका टोटल करता हूँ, तो ये टोटल क्या आएगा? S of n आएगा, ओके, और इनका टोटल करता हूँ, इसका, तो S of n minus 1 आएगा, n minus 1, because this is n minus 1. So अगर दोनों का टोटल को माइनस करता हूँ, तो ये आ जाएगा. So therefore you see, A of n, that means the nth term of an AP, is equal to sum of n numbers minus the sum of n minus 1 numbers. This is another important formula. Again, see here, suppose the AP, okay, try to understand it. Okay, always try to understand and then memorize. Otherwise, it will become difficult. Now, see here, it's a very simple, straightforward thing, that supposing A, the first term of the AP, A1, A2, A3, dot, 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 AN minus 1, AN. Okay, these are the terms of the AP. Now, if I want to find A of n, then what I do is I find the total S of n minus the total S of n minus 1. So, AN, that is the nth term of the AP. What is this? The nth term of the AP. Of the AP. The nth term of the AP can be found out by using this formula. A of n is the sum of n numbers minus the sum of n minus 1 numbers. Okay, so this is one more formula that you can add here, and that is A of n is equal to S of n minus S of n minus 1. These 6 formulas you should know. Of course, most important one is the first one, and even this one is number 6 is slightly different, and therefore it is important. But if you know these 6 formulas, you should be able to do all the other problems quite easily. Alright, now let us do some examples. Okay, we'll do some examples, and most of them are all textual in nature, so that you can get an idea of how these problems are solved. Alright, see, find the sum of the 22 terms. Okay, AP is given as 8, 3, minus 2, dot, dot, dot. Okay, find the sum of how many? Find the sum of first 22 terms. First 22 terms. You want to find the sum of the first 22 terms of this AP. Alright. So now what do we do? N is equal to 22. Okay. A is equal to 8. And D is equal to 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. Now write the formula. I told you that you should always write the formula every time. By writing the formula, you are actually learning the formula. Alright. Now I want to find S of n. N is 22. S of 22. So n is equal to 22 upon 2 into bracket 2 into A. A is the first term. A is the first term is 8 plus n is equal to 22. It is given the 22nd term. Okay. Find the sum of 22 terms. N into D. D is minus 5. Alright. Now this becomes 11. Okay. And into bracket 8 2s are 16. 22 minus is 21. 21 into minus 5. So I get 11, 16 minus 105. 11 into 16 into minus 105. Okay, d is equal to, remember, d is equal to minus 5. Okay, so now 16 minus 5, 16 minus 105 minus 16. So if you minus that, you get 89. Okay, 89. So this is minus 89. That is minus 11 nines are 99, 88, 88 and 97, 979. Remember, this is the total. This is not the term. This is the total, because you see what happens. Look at the AP 8, मतलब it is a decreasing AP, इसलिए तो हमको माइनस में आया टोटल. माइनस में टोटल क्यों आया? बिकॉज ये टर्म्स आर डिक्रीजिंग नॉट इंक्रीजिंग. 8 है, उसके बाद 3 है, -2 है, -2 के बाद आएगा -7, -7 के बाद आएगा -12, -12 के बाद -17. माइनस नंबर बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, सो उसका टोटल भी माइनस ही आएगा. सो देयरफॉर यू सी दिस टोटल इज -979. ऑलराइट, सो डोंट बी वरीड इफ द टोटल माइनस आता है, वो आता ही है. ओके, दैट वे. नाउ इफ अनदर क्वेश्चन इज गिवन दैट if the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050, the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050, and its first term is given as 10. Its first term is given as 10. Then find the 20th term. Okay, we are supposed to find the 20th term. What are we given? We are given the sum of the first 14 terms as 1050. The first term is given as 10. You want to find the 20th term. लेकिन अगर 20th term निकालना है, you will require common difference D, जो हमको नहीं दिया है. So we will have to first find D. So we use the formula S of n is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Always learn the formula by writing it. I've said it many times, and yet I will tell you also. Now S of 14 is given as 1050. Alright, and that is equal to 14 divided by 2, because n की value 14 है. Okay, here n is equal to 14. S of 14 मतलब n is equal to 14, and into bracket 2 into a is 10 minus 2 into a plus n minus 1, 14 minus 1 into d. Common difference हमको मालूम नहीं है. Okay, we want to find the common difference. So now 1050. Now 2 7s are 14. तो मैं 7 को इस तरफ ले लेता हूँ, 7 से डिवाइड करूंगा और ब्रैकेट खोल दूंगा. So you get 20, 14 minus 1, 13D. Okay, now you can see 7 1s are 7, 35, 7 5s are 35, minus 20 is equal to 13D. Or D will be equal to 150 minus 20 is 130. Divide by 13 is equal to 10. So therefore the value of D is equal to 10. Therefore D is equal to 10. ये D की value आ गई. Now you got D. So now you got A, you got D. Now if I want to find A of 20, it is easy. A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now A of 20, A, the first term is given as 10. I want to find A of 20, so n is equal to 20, and into D I have found out is 10. Alright, so 10 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 10, 190. 190 plus 10 is 200. So A of 20 is equal to 200. Alright, now in the same way, if I want any term I can find it. You can see it's very easy. Okay, let us take another example. Again, these problems are not tough at all. Let us just take another one. Okay, how many terms of the AP? So we are given the AP 24, 21, 24, 21, 18, and then dot must be second, so that the sum is S of n is given as 78. N की value question mark. Alright, now what is this question? The question says that if an AP is given 24, 21, 18, it is a decreasing AP. Okay, so your first term A is 24, common difference is 21 minus 24, that is equal to minus 3. It is, जब D की value minus आती है, it means it is a decreasing AP, decreasing arithmetic progression, because D की value minus है. इसलिए ना ऑब्वियसली जब डी की वैल्यू माइनस है तो उसका टोटल भी माइनस भी आ सकता है, प्लस भी आ सकता है। कितने टर्म्स का? एस ऑफ एन दिया है हमको 78। हाउ मेनी टर्म्स एड अप टू 78 वो पूछा है। सो नाउ यू सी एस ऑफ एन इज इक्वल टू 78 is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now s of n दिया है 78, n हमको मालूम नहीं, वो निकालना है। Okay, 2 into a फर्स्ट टर्म इज 24, n minus n मालूम नहीं है, और d कॉमन डिफरेंस -3 है। Okay, so now you see 78 into 2, 70, 80, 8 2s are 16, 7 2s are 14, 156 is equal to n into bracket 24 2s are 48, 3 1s 3, this is minus 3n and plus 3 1s are 3. Just be careful with the minus n. Minus 3n and minus minus will become plus 3. Alright, so 156 is equal to n, 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n. Okay, I can still simplify. See how I am simplifying. Many of you don't know how to simplify. अगर इसमें 3 कॉमन ले लेता हूँ तो ब्रैकेट में 17 3s are 51. ओके, अब 3 को इससे डिवाइड करता हूँ। 5 plus 1 plus 6 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So अगर उसको 3 से डिवाइड करता हूँ, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. ओके, n into 17 minus n. Now 52 is equal to 17n minus n into n square. So therefore I get an equation n square minus 17n, इस तरफ ले लो, plus 52 is equal to 0. Alright, so I get an equation. Now I split the middle term. Okay, now you can see that if I want to split this 13 4s are n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. 17 को स्प्लिट किया, 13 and 4 17, 13 4 are plus 52. So I get n minus 13 n minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4. Now both are possible. Okay, why both are possible? Because दोनों प्लस में है। ये आंसर फ्रैक्शन में नहीं आना चाहिए, और ये आंसर you will not get like 2.5. 2.5 नंबर कैसे हो सकता है? n is the number you see can be minus, the number itself can be plus or minus, it can be half, it can be 0, anything, but the number of numbers, counting numbers cannot be 0 because natural numbers are counting numbers. So इधर देखो माइनस नहीं है, दोनों प्लस है, दोनों इंटीजर्स है, both are plus, both are integers, so both are possible, both are possible. But in this case only, because you see d is equal to -3, it can go on adding and subtracting, adding and subtracting. For example, -3 और +3 subtract हो जाएंगे, cancel हो जाएंगे, -2 and +2 cancel. So with n is equal to 13 और n is equal to 4, दोनों में possible है. If you want to confirm this, देखो मैं confirm करता हूँ, s of 13 निकालता हूँ. Okay, s of 13 will be n by 2, 13 by 2 into bracket 2 into a, 13 minus 1 will be 12 into d is -3. अब हमको कितना आना चाहिए? 78 आना चाहिए. Okay, so 13 upon 2, 24 2s are 48, minus 12 3s are 36. So 13 upon 2, 48 minus 36 is 12. 2 6 are 12, 13 6 are 78. देखो आ गया. Okay, और 4 से भी आ सकता है. s of 4 देखो. Okay, 4 upon 2, okay, this is s of 4, and into bracket 2 into 24 plus 4th term, so 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, और d की वैल्यू कितनी थी? d की वैल्यू -3. अब इसका भी 78 आना चाहिए. 4 upon 2 मतलब 2, 24 2s are 48 minus 9. Okay, so 2, 48 minus 9 is 39, 39 2s are 78. देखो, so दोनों पॉसिबल है. n can be 13 or it can be 14. Why? Because both are positive numbers and both are integers, fractions नहीं है, और इसके ऊपर d भी माइनस है, so it will go on decreasing, माइनस प्लस को कैंसिल हो सकता है, इसलिए दोनों टर्म की वैल्यू s of 13 भी 78 आ सकता है और s of 4 भी 78 आ सकता है. Both are equally possible. Alright, now let us just see that After that, we'll have a look at another one. Okay, another question is, this is number 4. Let us take another example, number 4. All right, and in here it says that find the sum of the first 100 positive integers. Find the sum of 1000. They find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स मतलब पॉजिटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स. सो इसमें ऑब्वियसली अगर वो है तो सम ऑफ विल बी 1 2 3 4 1000 तक, द फर्स्ट 1000 तक. ओके, दिस इज योर द फर्स्ट 1000 नंबर्स है. नाउ यू कैन डू इट इन 2 डिफरेंट वेज. ऑब्वियसली यू सी मैंने बोला था एस ऑफ एन इज इक्वल टू n बाई 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. ऐसा कर लिया तो क्या आएगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ एस ऑफ 1000. हमको एस ऑफ 1000 निकालना है. रिमेंबर दैट एस ऑफ 1000 इज इक्वल टू 1000 डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2. फर्स्ट टर्म ए इज 1. 1000 माइनस एन इज 1000 माइनस 1 इज 999 और डी की वैल्यू 1 है बिकॉज द डिफरेंस इज 1. सो आई गेट 500. ओके, सॉरी 500 into bracket 2 plus 999. Okay, that way. So 500 into 999 plus 1 plus 2 will be 1001. Okay, so 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 0 0 and 5. This is the sum of the first 1000 integers. अब मैंने ये भी बोला था कि यू कैन यूज द डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो. द सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट n नेचुरल नंबर्स यू कैन डायरेक्टली यूज इट. n नेचुरल नंबर्स के लिए यू कैन यूज द फॉर्मूला s ऑफ n इज इक्वल टू n बाई 2. ओके, n बाई 2 इंटू ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स के लिए n बाई 2 इंटू n प्लस 1. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स. नाउ n ऑफ कोर्स इज 1000. S of n means S of 1000 is equal to n is 1000. Okay, n की वैल्यू है 1000 प्लस 1, 1001. So 1000 upon 2 into 1001. Okay, you can see same आ गया. 2 divided by this would be 500 into 1001. You can see same. So you will get 500 500. You can see. If you don't remember this, you can just directly remember one formula only. एक ही formula को use करो, directly आ जाएगा. लेकिन अगर इसको use कर सकते हो, then also it is faster and shorter. Okay? Then after that, okay, you want to find out that find the first n positive integers. n positive integers के लिए देखो ये मैंने formula use किया है. This is n positive integers. n positive integers के लिए. This is the one, the derivation for all positive integers. N positive integers would be n upon 2, n plus 1, which I have just derived earlier, and that is that one. Now let us take another one. Okay. It says find the sum of the first 24 of the list of numbers whose nth term is given. अब nth term हमको दे दिया है. nth term an is equal to 3 plus 2n. ये question में दिया. You want to find the sum of the first 24 terms. S of 24. First 24 terms का total निकालना है. Alright, उसके लिए हमको A और D चाहिए. तो therefore हम अगर A of 1 निकालेंगे first term, that will be 3 plus 2 into 1, that is will be 5. Okay, then A of 2 will be 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 is 7. So therefore अब AP क्या आएगा? AP first term is 5, second term is 7. अब दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना है? 2 है. सो देयरफॉर 7, देन 9, देन 11, देन 13 एंड सो ऑन. आ गया AP. अब इसमें A और D दोनों आ गया. अब हम S को S ऑफ 24 निकालना है. S ऑफ 24 विल बी n बाई 2 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू D. ओके, सो S ऑफ 24 इज 24 अपॉन 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2. फर्स्ट टर्म कितना था? फर्स्ट टर्म तो 5 है. 24 मतलब 24 माइनस 1 23 और D की वैल्यू 2 है. डी की वैल्यू 2 है. सो 12, 10, 46. 46 plus 10, 56. Okay. 46 plus 10, 56. 12 6 are 72. 12 5 are 60 and 7, 67. 672. This is the sum of the first 24 terms. Okay. Now there is another question out here, which also I need to do this one. Sixth one says that a manufacturer of TV sets produce 600 sets in the third year. Third year means A of 3 is 600. A manufacturer produces 600 TV sets in the third year, 700 sets in the seventh year. In the seventh year, he produces 700 TV sets. Assuming that the production increases uniformly, that is D, okay, then find the production in the first year. Now find the production in the first year. Production of TV sets in the first year. Of TV sets in the first year. In the first year. अब देखो, first year मतलब A, first term of the AP. It is an AP, so first year में first year of the first term of the AP. That is what you want to find. In other words, you want to find A. Find A. Now in this case, obviously, you see A of 3 is given as 600. A of 3 means what? A plus 2D, n minus 1. N is 3. 3 minus 1, 2, 2D. And then A of 7 is equal to 700 is equal to A plus 6D. Alright? So now if you subtract them, okay, इसको अगर subtract करता हूँ, minus, 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 600 minus 700 is minus 100. A will cancel out. 2D minus 6D is minus 4D. Okay, so D is equal to 100 divided by 4 is 25. So D की value 25 आ गई. Now if you got D, now you use any one. 600 is equal to A plus 2 into D. D is 25. 25 2s are 50. So A is equal to 600 minus 50. So therefore A is 550. This is the production in the first year. Okay. So what is the production of TV sets in the first year? The production of TV sets in the first year is 550 sets. Now also production in the 10th year. You want to find production in the 10th year. Production in the 10th year. What is the production of TV sets in the 10th year? मतलब हमको A of 10 निकालना है. A of 10 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A of 10. A तो 550 आया गया फर्स्ट ईयर में. 10 मतलब n is equal to 10. 10 minus 1 into D. D की वैल्यू 25 निकाली थी हमने. Okay. So 550 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 25 into 9 is 225. Okay. So that is 225 into 550. 550. Okay. So just multiply it here. So 2250 into 55. 50, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 5 2s are 10 and 1, 11. फिर से 5 से करेंगे तो 1 1 2 5 0 0 5 7 3 2 1. So I get 1 2 3 7 5 0. Okay, unit tens 100. Okay, and I get 1,23,750. Now there is a third question also here, and the third question here says the total production in the first 7 sets. Total production in first 7 years. First 7 years. First 7 years मतलब S of 7. Total production in the first 7 years. S of 7 is n of 2, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. S of 7. Okay, that means 7 by 2. N is equal to 7. 2 into A. First term is 550. First term into A. Plus N is 7. 7 minus 1, 6. D. D की value 25 है. So 7 upon 2 into bracket 550 into 550 is 1100. Okay, 1100 plus 620, 25 into 6 is 150. So 7 upon 2 into, I get 50, 11 and 1, 12. Okay, that is 1250. इसको डिवाइड करो 2 से, 2 6 जा 12, 625. 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 7 5 जा 35, 7 2 जा 14 and 3, 17, 7 6 जा 42, 4 3 7 5. Okay, that is 4,375 sets in the first 7 years. Okay, so yes, that is 550 D20, just checking it, 4375. And in the first production, in the first TV sets is yes, this is seems to be okay. Production in the 10th year, production of TV sets in the 10th year is 775. Okay, just 1 second, have I made a mistake here? 9 into D, 10 minus 1 is 9, the 9 into D 225, that is 550. What I multiplied it, I made a mistake here, I multiplied it instead of just adding. Okay, this is equal to 75 and 5, 775. Okay, by accidentally I multiplied it instead of just adding it. This kind of mistakes can happen. Okay, when you are doing something very quickly and talking at the same time, this can happen. So this should not be multiplied, it was just added up. All right, so you get 550 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 into 25 is 225. 550 plus 225 is 775. That is production in the 10th year. Okay, and of course this is S of 7 is 4375. That's fine. All right, so this is what I'm showing you, that this is the sum of n natural numbers, the sum of odd natural numbers, even natural numbers, the sum of any number of terms of an AP. This is the formula for finding various terms of an AP. All right, so what you must understand is that there are different ways of doing this, and the formulas that are required, I've given you a list of formulas now. Okay, this list of formulas are very important here. You can see this. Okay, these formulas, all the 6 formulas, and I also showed you how to derive it. You need to learn only one, उसमें से सब आ जाएगा. All right, so now once again, as I have said, that tomorrow I will go through exercise number 5.3. It is a lengthy exercise, so I will probably do it in 2 sessions, 2 videos, but I will try and do all of them for you. The point is, at home you should be looking at these videos carefully and actually writing it out in a notebook. If you don't write it in a notebook, there is no point in watching the video at all. All right, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.